Hello YouTubers, good morning, and today we have a video to make about a case which I got from this brand called HOCO. They say that's a premium product. I wanted a case which was transparent. What that means, it's completely transparent from the sides and from the back. I tried to find different cases for the iPhone X and this was one of the best case which I found. Right now I am using a case from a different brand which is called Gooseberry. Because this is a very expensive phone, I would definitely want to buy a case which would protect the sides, bottom, the front, in the sense that you could put a glass screen protector and protect the sides. At least they should be slightly edged up, and of course the back camera as well. I found out at that time that this case was good because I've been using this case for quite a long time. It's pretty much worn from the sides now, so that's why I've got this new case. The case initially I was looking for was to be protected from the sides, should be soft so that it doesn't damage the bezels of the phone itself, because the phone's got chrome bezels. If you have a hard case and you snap it on, what would potentially happen is that you're scratching the sides of the phone, which you really don't want to do. So in that case, I got this product from HOCO. So let's go ahead and guys unbox it. I'll put a link in the description below, and if you want to buy it, you can just Google it and buy it, because I'm not promoting this product. This product is just for myself. I just think it's a beautiful case. It's soft and it's transparent and it does the job. So let's go ahead and unbox it then. So quite nice packaging, really neat packaging. Comes with this plastic shell. So the case itself is slightly to the yellowish shade, but what they say is that it won't get yellow with the passage of time. It's very soft, so I'm not even bending it too hard, but it's very soft from the back, and the sides are slightly stiff. You got the power button over here, the on-off switch, the mute switch over here. The camera hole is slightly edged up, which is a good thing. You got these cutouts on the bottom, which are very finely cut. And another thing what you'll notice is, I can't really show you, but if you look at this case carefully, which I really can't zoom in into, it's got slight dots on the back, not on the back over here. So this is like really smooth. These dots are for air to pass through. So this is the case itself. Seems that it'll protect the drops because it's completely protected from the top and the sides. Got a branding over here which is HOCO, and very decent branding, looks good. So let's go ahead and take this case off. If you have an iPhone X, I would recommend you first of all just to quickly clean. I'm not sure if you can see it. If I'll just turn around, have a look at the slight scratches on the phone. So scratches will definitely come on a stainless steel set no matter what you do, top or bottom. See over here, I've got slight scratches on the top. So no matter how much you protect your phone, it's definitely going to be scratched. Front, I have this glass screen protector from LIGA, which you can watch in my other video. I installed this glass screen protector on it. It's beautiful for the iPhone X. It covers all the edges and it's got a black edge on the sides, which really looks fantastic. So this is it. So let's go ahead and put the case on. The feel of the phone after putting the case doesn't at all feel bulky. Secondly, it shows the real true color of the phone, which is good. So the camera is slightly inwards, so which will give it good protection. Yeah, so even if you keep your phone on the table and you try to scratch it, so because the case is slightly protruded, so that won't let it scratch, which is a brilliant thing. And what I feel is that it can definitely protect from bumps. It's because it's very soft, so it won't really protect against severe drops. Now, this case can protect against severe drops because I've used this case extensively and I really felt that this case is, you see the sides are stronger. I've dropped the phone a couple of times straight flat on the ground, but I'm guessing that this case will not be able to protect you know, full-fledged drops from your hand, but obviously it'll prevent against scratches and light drops. It'll protect the camera, so it's not for heavy drops. It's a fashion case, it's a good case. Protection level, I would give it 3 out of 10. Style, I would give it 8 out of 10. So guys, this is my video for the HOCO transparent case. If you are planning to get a transparent case, so this is how it will look and this is how it will feel.